How to fix Facebook profile lock option not showing. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will see how we can fix if you're not able to find the lock profile option on Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Facebook application and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon from the top left corner. If you are here and if you tap on the three dot icon from your profile, and if you're not able to find the lock profile option here under the profile settings, then you have to consider few steps in order to resolve the issue. First of all, make sure that your professional mode is disabled. Activating your professional mode on your profile can prevent the lock profile feature from appearing it. Now to disable, once you're under the profile settings option, tap on turn off professional mode and tap on continue. Tap on turn off and then tap on close. After you have turned off your professional mode, you have to refresh your page. Now if you tap on the three dot icon, there you will find lock profile option right there and you can lock your profile. If that's not your case, and still if you're not able to find the lock profile option, you can use a different device or platform. Sometimes some features may not be available across all the devices or platform. If you're using the mobile application, try to access Facebook through a web browser on a computer or vice versa. If not, refresh your session. So you can simply log out of your Facebook account, restart your device and log back into Facebook to check whether that's going to help you solve your problem or not. If that still does not work out for you, then you have to ensure that you're in the region where the lock profile feature is available. The lock profile feature is not available in all the countries, so if it's not supported in your region, you might not see that. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.